In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete Rocket League cache on your PS5. And if you are looking for discounts on PS5 accessories, you can check out the links in the description below. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first go to settings, and here in settings go down and go to save data and game app settings. So the Rocket League is a PS4 game, so we are gonna go to PS4, save data, and then here go to upload or delete from console storage. And now here go to delete, and here you can see the Rocket League. But I suggest you to save your game app data on your cloud storage or copy it to a USB before deleting. So go to delete, and here go down and select Rocket League, and then after selecting go down and go to delete and press X on OK, and this is how you can delete your Rocket League cache on your PS5. Thanks for watching.